Welcome back to another video at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, that's my father Chad, and today we're checking out a gorgeous 1957 Chevy. And right now the sheriff up on the hill is checking out the 57 Chevy too. I think he's waiting for our test drive.
I think he must have seen those bright wheels, must have clued him in that he's seen us there. But what a cool car, and that does not sound like a 57 Chevy.
No, it's gorgeous. I love that color. All the chrome and bright work was redone. Looks
My dad always
really
called
sharp.
this one Dusk Rose. I don't know
Dusk
if
Rose.
that's correct or not for a 57, but pretty close.
power steering, power brakes.
Power steering, headers, power disc brakes. It's got rack and pinion.
Nice.
Aluminum radiator.
Brand new BFGs.
This thing runs good too. Yeah, we put brand new American Racing chrome rims, BFG raised white letter tires, Eldebrock carbon intake. Just a really nice 57. This one came in from the same owner as that beautiful 1967 turquoise Impala that we have on our lot. We just videoed a couple days ago. So if you watch that video, this one came from the same owner. I just wasn't a fan of the wheels, so we put some wheels and tires on it. But
man, it changed the car too. There's so much chrome on these 57s. I love seeing a chrome wheel on there. Makes it pop.
gorgeous. Back of the hood lines up nice. Both sides.
Front disc brakes too.
Yeah, it's got a rack and pinion on the front. So, I mean, it's just really modernized there. The previous owner told me this was a California car, and I believe it. You go to the undercarriage pictures on our website, coyoteclassics.com. Make sure you look at those. Look at the body mounts and stuff. I mean, most of the time they're rusted out. These are super solid. You can just see the nice metallic in there and the right lighting. Bottom of the fender and rocker and door all is in great shape. Little chip that was touched in by the correct color there. Quarter panel is excellent. Over top of the wheel is awesome as well. The tire guys went and did a really nice fitment on here just to get about the maximum tire you can get and have no tire rubbing. Dual exhaust is nice. All the bright work and chrome and stainless looks great on this one. Got your built-in reverse light there.
Just pops really not much to point out on this thing.
No, there isn't. It's got the third brake light. This car, the wheels changed this whole car.
Oh my God,
opinion,
yeah.
didn't they?
Yeah.
It had some ugly ones on it before, I
The
think.
door jamb paint, rubber's been replaced with
Yeah, and they did it correctly. They did the right lines on there. So many people just, just kind of hodge that in. Don't do a real great job at that. Same thing here. They did a nice break in the line. Black interior, and it was all redone. Just a nice standard seats, but all done in black. Got the gray headliner, and that's perfect. Dome light works. Seat belts in the back. Got the Bel Air floor mats front and rear. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM Chevy radio in here, which really makes this dash look beautiful. Again, steering wheel is perfect too. It's got a digital dash, Dalt. That's all nice. We'll go through that in a little bit. Pioneer CD player. It's got 2 charging ports right here.
Nice.
It's got a remote.
I like how they even put the Kleenex box in there.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, they made the custom console, but they put that little Kleenex box in there like you could get from factory. Pretty cool.
There's your Pioneer and your factory 57 guide. Inside the glove box is nice. Paint in there is beautiful. Just a nice car.
The neatest thing with these, 50s cars.
Seen the trunk?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
That Style Master that we have in the back is like the same way. There's so much thought went into the design, like on the 57s, the gas cap. I mean, it's just so neat how it seems the stuff we make now, it's like we don't give a shit about how it looks,
Yeah. So much cool design, and they just changed a few things on every year, and just really made them different.
Yeah. But yeah, the 57s are.
I really wanted to point this out because this is nice too.
Very nice.
I mean, when they did it, you can tell it's an older paint job, but they did a beautiful job. Even in the trunk, floor is all painted Dusk Rose. Got the jack instructions and stuff in there. I know somebody's probably going to correct me on Dusk Rose, but that's all right.
And
yeah,
like some people say, like the paint with this, people will say like Biden, his age is his superpower. The superpower with this paint is its age because it shows just how nice it still is. You know how nice they did it.
What did they say?
Somebody said, or the story is Biden's age is his superpower.
Oh, let's not get into political stuff. That's going to
Well, no, I'm just saying it's a great example for, you know, this paint, except I think the paint's a little sharper than Biden is, but. It's funny.
Not funny at all. All right. Again, wheels and tires are new.
That's good
Really
looking car.
nice. I mean, it's just got a few little spots that looks like there's just a little buffing compound. Other than that,
I mean,
I
just
don't
looking
see
up and down the
crap.
sides, though. I mean, the fenders, quarters, door, just laser straight. There's not a ripple in it.
Doors are rust-free. Floors look like they're all rust-free original. Your VIN number. Let's take this thing for a drive and see what she's got, huh?
I'm kind of hoping it's got enough to get that cop excited.
Oh, he's leaving.
Oh, he knows the drill. He doesn't want to have to report.
We're not going over the speed limit, Amy.
No, we never do that.
All right, so let's go through it here. We have wipers. Miracle on these. Oil pressure is 59 pounds. Like you said, through video, it's gonna blink and stuff, but that's just the way it is. The way it shows up. 74% fuel, 13.2 in the volts. Speedometer works, tach works. It's got 11,285 miles on this build. So that's pretty cool. So that's what I'm saying. You can jump in this and have some fun. Coolant temperature is 147 right now.
And what you're saying with the gauges, they're not blinking in person, but the video makes
Correct.
them look like they're blinking.
Yes,
Yes.
thanks.
Yep.
Heater works. It's this big D.
I'm guessing to put some sort of phone holder or something on there. Yeah, because that comes up and the paint's just nice over there. It's like, I'm guessing for holding the phone so it doesn't slide off the dash.
Yeah.
But yeah, that just peels up if you want to take it off.
The antenna just has to go up a little bit over there.
There you go. So,
Yeah, good idea. We don't need that. Okay. Radio works great, just antenna needs to go up a little bit. I think this one's it's 4-speed automatic too in this.
so that's the whole mirror.
This is super comfortable too, huh?
Now what are we listening to about COVID on the planes?
I don't know.
The phone just went.
Oh man,
That's funny.
that surprised me. Not the COVID on the plane, but
I know, it's funny. The car's like set up for my Biden joke I made earlier. I think it's making fun of back. I don't know.
set up for my Biden joke. Okay, let's get back to the car, D. All right, I'm surprised by the power. You know, 57 Chevy. I mean, these things aren't, you look at one of these, you think of a cruiser, but man, this thing sounded awesome and it had some power.
Everyone likes the 57.
Oh yeah.
That's funny. The sheriff didn't want to have to stick around for the test drive.
As far as idle goes, it's got a nice little cam in it. Nice little choppy idle there. Smooths right out. Digital speedometer works great.
It does have good power.
700 R4 just shifts, goes right into the next gear.
Yep.
Man, this thing handles awesome, doesn't it?
No, it's just comfortable.
Kick down works good. I'm so impressed with this, huh?
It's a good car.
Rack and pinion steering, suspension's great, front and back. Temperature gauge is 188.
Just smooth. You know, no rattles, no vibrations.
Speedometer says we're doing 53, but I think if that sheriff was still here, it feels like we're doing about 62.
Yeah.
It feels a little off, doesn't it?
Yep.
Feels like we're going a little faster than 54. Check our brakes out.
They're awesome.
Look at that. This is what quality car, D.
It is. Very nice.
How about the steering? How nice and easy that steers.
A lot
Whoever
of money
buys
went
this is going to
into
be
it.
super pumped with it.
Like I said, all the details that went into just make it ready to drive. Like the digital gauges, so you know exactly what you're running. The phone chargers, you name it.
Well, it's got 11,289 miles on the bill.
Nice.
Just this thing sounds good with a 700 R4.
This is one you can take on like a power tour.
There's 55 mile an hour right there. 1,800, 1,900 RPMs.
Nice. What a car.
Gas mileage, Biden car.
Yeah, it is. Everything's lining up for it. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. But great 57 and it's ready for a new home.